Hello everyone, this is the random channel Eli here, and today I'm making a video of this new fan. This is a 52-inch fanimation airdrop that we got yesterday and installed yesterday. This fan replaced a 60-inch Hampton Bay blank Ford. The reason why we replaced the blank Ford is because it stopped working. And I'll show you the light. This light is dimmable. Alright, and I'll show you the fan starting on low. It's a really nice fan. The finish is brushed nickel. It's reversible to gray, to like a dark oak, I think that's what they're called, but for the sake of this video, we'll call it cherry. So it's reversible to gray to cherry. What a beautiful design. A nice LED light kit. And yeah, this fan is really nice. I love it. Looks real good in here. Moving to medium. And I'm not going to do a spin down. And from now on, I am not going to add the intro on short fan videos. Only long videos such as this one, I'll add my intro on the longer videos. Just to let you guys know. Here's the light again. And let's do high. This fan is really quiet. Pulls out really nice air. So this fan is really nice. There's the light again. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos to come.